Alright, the dough has risen. It has yogurt, got some olive oil in there, sea salt, all the good stuff. Alright, flatbreads are nice and soft, warm, smelling good. This will be included in my eldest's school lunch. Some will go in the fridge, and then some will be eaten tonight with the hummus. Mashallah. Nice and soft. Nice and soft. Now the flatbread is kind of being used as sort of quesadillas would, with provolone cheese. I put a little Dijon mustard and then some sliced Bresaola, which is like uncured beef prosciutto. It's not pork, with beef. And heated it up. And I'll have it with my chai. Mashallah. Woohoo!